Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Netflix email address, account update step. Open the Netflix app on your phone or tablet, or go to netflix.com on a computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet so the account page can load properly. If you are not signed in, select sign in and enter your current Netflix email and password. Choose the correct profile if Netflix asks you to select one. On a computer, click your profile icon in the top right corner. On a phone or tablet, tap My Netflix or the profile icon depending on your app version. Select Account to open your account settings page. If Netflix asks for your password again, enter it to continue for security. Scroll to find the section called Membership and Billing. Look for email or email address in the account details list. Click or tap Change Email or Update Email next to your current email. In the first field, type your new email address carefully. In the next field, retype the new email address to confirm it matches. If you see a password field, enter your Netflix password to approve the change. Double-check there are no typos, missing letters, or extra spaces in the new email. Click or tap Save to submit the update. Wait a moment while Netflix confirms and applies the new email address. Check the screen to make sure your account now shows the updated email. Open your email inbox for the new address you added. Look for a Netflix confirmation message and open it if it arrives. If Netflix asks you to verify the email, follow the link or button inside the message. If you do not see the email, check spam, junk, promotions, or other folders. If nothing arrives after a few minutes, return to account and try saving again. If you cannot access your old email anymore, use the Netflix Help Center for account recovery options. If you share the account, inform other users that the sign-in email has changed. Update the saved login on your devices, password managers, or browsers if they still use the old email. Sign out and sign back in once with the new email to confirm everything works correctly. Keep your account secure by using a strong password and avoiding public devices for changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.